And there comes Honorable Shanti, who never misses the party. Now, Shanti, what have you come to do? She never misses the party. So we are mixing very well. Let's do this. We mix very, very well. Today, we are going to grow the mushrooms, and here are the materials we are going to use. Cotton husks are the best, as you can see them. And what is this?
Coffee husks.
So these are coffee husks. They are putting on masks because there is some dust that is coming from these husks. These are bean husks. These bean husks have been chopped into smaller pieces. We are going to mix very well. We are mixing everything very, very well.
Como que bate? Como que bate? Como que bate? Como que bate?
Now, as we mix it, we remove these sticks because they are going to pierce the what?
The bags.
Yes. So as we mix, we remove. We throw away. Coffee is cheap. Cotton is expensive. And bean husks are free. But the cotton does very well because it holds water. When you use cotton, production is very high. But if you compare the cost of buying cotton to the cost of using free materials, after mixing like this, we are going to immerse them in water and boil.
Why are we boiling this?
We are boiling to make sure that the coffee husks are softened for easy digestion of the mushroom mycelium.
Very nice.
So this is where we've put the substrate. It is submerged in water and we are going to boil. However, if you don't have firewood to boil, you can soak it like this and leave it overnight. Boiling is very good because when you boil, you reduce on the microorganisms and you reduce on the infection. Yet it is the infection that affects mushroom growing. So this is where we are. I would like to appreciate High Tide Mushrooms, Maudao Bakui, Flash Crusher for supporting my mushroom growing effort and for supporting women growing mushrooms. And by the way, mushrooms are supporting free growing business. Thank you so much for supporting us. Please check out High Tide Mushrooms website and buy items from there. 15% of what you buy goes to support a woman grow mushrooms. Goes to support me grow mushrooms. High Tide Mushrooms, big up. We are going to put fire